Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Connect your computer to the router using Ethernet or the existing Wi-Fi network. This reduces interruptions while changing settings and keeps the session stable. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.1.1 to reach the Ptcl router login page. If that address fails, try 192.168.0.1 or check the sticker on the router. Log in with your admin username and password to view advanced configuration options. Navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section in the Ptcl router web interface. Look for a submenu labeled Wi-Fi sharing, QR code, or guest network QR settings. Locate the QR code sharing or Wi-Fi guest QR option and set it to disabled or off. Confirm the change by clicking Save or Apply at the bottom of the page. Wait about 30 seconds while the router updates its configuration and restarts the wireless service if required. Confirm the QR code is gone by checking the router dashboard and the physical QR sticker behavior. Reboot the router and refresh the web interface to ensure settings persisted after restarting. Test connecting a phone to the Wi-Fi without scanning a QR code to ensure normal login using the SSID and password. Finally, change the admin password and enable automatic firmware updates to keep the router secure and prevent accidental re-enabling of features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.